3, 2,
What is up, Meister Village? Your boy Buckmeister, twice the nice that you are used to. Bam! We are here, and today we are checking out Birds by Thomas and Dodie Clark. Alright, so link is in the description down below. Please go check it out for yourself. This was a request from Melina Hunt. I was getting to it, but you know, life got in the way. But now we're here. So let's do it. Let's go.
I don't want to drive a fancy car today. I don't want to ride in a red Corvette. I don't want to jog my Saturday away, but I don't want to go home yet.
Today is not the day to jump out of a plane. I don't want to parasail or play roulette. I don't want to risk it all or go insane, but I don't want to go home yet. I just want to watch the birds go by from my handy foldable blue canvas throne. I want to watch them fly and fly and see them soar up into the unknown. But I feel just like a nerd watching birds, watching me here all alone.
I don't want to break dance or learn taekwondo. I don't want to fish till all the fish are gone. I don't want to roller skate even if it's slow. I don't want to pass out in a marathon.
I don't like soccer, baseball, track or field. I'm not up for a match of polo. I don't want to seek or try to stay concealed. I'm also not up for water polo. I just want to watch the birds up there, track the migratory patterns that they've flown. I want to watch them from my chair, with my binoculars, my latte, and my phone, trying to spot a lark in the park, parked in nature all alone.
Alone here with the doves and the sparrows and the ospreys, the owlets, the egrets, and my list.
It's just me and Mr. Finch, the robins, the kingfishers, the snipes, though I heard they don't exist. Each little species in its little way can teach me what awaits you if you can get away. I wanna watch the birds do what they will. Sorry if I'm ornithologically prone. I wanna watch from somewhere undisturbing, quiet, calm, still. Sit right here and gaze at the unknown. I don't wanna fly in the sky, I just wanna be alone. It's not a big deal or anything. I just wanna be alone.
Yeah! So pleased! What a good thing we did.
I am so honored to be doing a cover of one of the songs from my Ultimate Storytime tour with Dodie Clark.
Hi.
Oh my goodness gracious, Dodie. This is beautiful.
I love this song. Thomas sent it to me like over text. He was like, I think we could cover like something from my musical or whatever.
Yeah.
And then I just listened to it and was just like, oh, well, I'm in love.
It was amazing. We also did a song on Dodie's channel. She wrote it. It's magnificent. I cry every time I think about it. No, seriously. If you're interested in watching that duet on Dodie's channel, click over here. If you're interested in the soundtrack to Ultimate Storytime, including the original version of Birds, click down here.
Recommend it.
I
So
know.
cool, so cool.
Thank you. And also, if you're interested in becoming featured fan, click over here. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Dodie. And until next time, take it easy, guys, gals, and non-binary pals.
Peace out. That was cool. That was really cool. Alright, so if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you did not, that is your business, and I'll see you all in another video because my instrument's gotta be out. Peace.